Namaskar. Dark underarms are concern for many. It is something that can make you feel self-conscious, especially during warmer season or special occasion. But don't worry, this is a common issue. Nature has many gentle remedies to manage this problem. First, let's understand what are the causes of dark underarms. Dark underarms are often caused by shaving, buildup of dead skin cells, use of chemical-laden deodorants, or even friction from tight clothing. Now, let us see how you can naturally brighten your underarm at home. The first method is to exfoliate with a natural scrub. This will help you remove the dead skin cells, which often causes underarm darkness. To make this simple, effective scrub, you need 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of honey, a few drops of lemon juice. To make this scrub, mix these ingredients to form a paste. Now gently massage onto your underarm. Massage it for 2-3 minutes. Oatmeal exfoliates, honey hydrates, and lemon juice bring brightness. Now rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. This can be done twice a week for best results. Another remedy is to brighten with the natural mask. Here you need 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon of rose water, a pinch of turmeric. Mix these ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply it evenly on your underarms. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Sandalwood soothes, turmeric reduces pigmentation, and rose water refreshes the skin. Now rinse with cool water. Use this mask twice a week for noticeable improvement. Now let me also give you some lifestyle tips for long-term results. Avoid using harsh deodorants. Choose natural alternatives like alum, rose water, natural attars, or a mix of coconut oil and tea tree oil. Again, wear breathable fabrics like pure cotton to reduce friction and irritation. Shave less to minimize pigmentation caused by frequent shaving. These simple remedies will help you brighten underarm within few weeks. Remember, your skin needs love and care, just like any other part of your body. Finally, don't forget to nurture yourself from within. Stay hydrated. Keep a balanced diet. Diet should be rich in vitamin E, C, and omega-3 fatty acids. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. You are beautiful, and nature is there to support your journey. So just enjoy it. Namaskar.